welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to insert a link into your webpage using HTML. If you haven't already, please watch the first video I made on basic tags so you understand this video properly. Okay, let's start. So first go to w3schools.com/tryit. I'll put the link to that in the description, and I'll also put the link to the first video on basic tags in the description below too. Scroll down once you go on the website and go to try it yourself. Delete all this code, you don't need it. We'll start from scratch. So now I'm going to type some tags we learned in the first video. So if you don't know these, I highly recommend watching that. Body. Okay, now we're going to start the link. So we're going to do the A tag, but don't close it. Don't close it. Don't put this arrow. Then do a space, then we'll type href. Href basically will tell the browser that's reading the code that this is going to be a link here. So now you put the link that you want the link to take you to. So maybe go to Google, search out maybe cars.com. Go here. Cars.com. Okay, and now we will paste that link onto here. Now surrounded with quotation marks. This should be surrounded by quotation marks. Then close it with an arrow, and then type the text you want to show. So maybe since this is a car dealership, we'll type that. And then you have to close the tag with the /A. This text will show here, but when you click on it, it will take you to here. So let's try it. See, it works. So it's a car dealership, basically. Yeah. So that's how to make a link. I hope you liked this video and I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.